Hey guys, good morning. Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing this badass bullet antenna that EcoAuto sent out to us for our 2022 F150. This is a sport model. Obviously, you can see the huge 2-foot tall factory antenna. Not really a fan of it, so we're actually going to install a cool bullet antenna. I really like the design of it. As you can see, I'm going to pull it out of this box real quick so you can see. That's kind of how it looks. Really nice design. It's gonna make it look a lot more sleek, a lot more modern. And so I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do it. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and we'll go right through it. All right guys, so we're gonna start from removing this factory antenna here. So what you have to do actually is get a wrench or some kind of twisty to go ahead and twist this antenna off. So it's actually pretty hard to take it off with just your hand, obviously. So, all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these pliers here. I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting this antenna off. As you can see, just that initial twist you get, easy to come off. And now it comes off with the thread right here. But luckily, with the new antenna, they do give you a different set of threads here. So obviously you can use the longer one and the shorter one. So we're gonna go ahead and use the shorter one, and it's gonna be super easy. What we're gonna do is, obviously, we're gonna put the thread in between this here. We'll put that thread in there, and then we'll go ahead and put it right on top. So it's gonna look something like that. Obviously the first thread's gonna go now. It doesn't really matter. You can put the thread in first and then put the antenna, or you put the thread in the antenna and then put it in. I find it easier to do it this way. Wrench here and tighten up just a little more. It's pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the bullet antenna, and there it is, the bullet antenna. Nice and set, nice and sleek. Let me show you what it looks like from far behind so you can kind of see. Super easy install, guys. It doesn't take any screws, doesn't take any tools. Obviously you can use a plier set to remove the set, but there you guys go. How do you think it looks? How do you like it?
Awesome.
Yeah, I think it looks a lot better. You know, this from the front looks even cooler. So here's the factory antenna. As you can see, it's kind of outdated, you know. So I think the cool bullet antenna there makes it look really sleek, makes it look more modern. This is, and let me just show you a close-up of this antenna so you can really take a look at it. So there it is right there. It's got a cool little design on it. 50 cal bullet antenna, and it should last a long time. I've seen a lot of people put this bullet antenna on there, and yeah, I really like it. If you have any questions, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Super easy install. And you're gonna be seeing a lot more F150 content for the 2022. And we're super excited to start, you know, doing some new things to it. Number one, obviously we did just put a new tint on it. We have the factory tint on the back, but then we did do a matching 20% in the front here. So as you can kind of see, it's the same tint. So the back is actually a stained glass, and the actual rear view, the rear is the stained glass too. And then we just put a film on here. And this is the factory tint. Now it is technically illegal, but as you live in the state of Florida, it's actually not too bad. I've never had a problem with the cops or anything like that. So I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. The tint looks pretty good. And there's the outside. As you kind of see, like, you can still easily see the outside there. So you have no visibility problems with that dark of a tint. Now you can go even darker and go 5%, but I really wouldn't go that dark because it's actually kind of hard to drive at night. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like now. So yeah, 2 mods done. Did the window tint and just did the bullet antenna. I think next what we're gonna do for the truck is get some LED tag lights for the back. As they are halogen, we can swap those out, get some LEDs in there. And yeah, it's coming along, guys. Just the small things to make it OEM plus. But like I said, if you have any questions, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. I post new videos on the channel every week. And if you're wondering what I've done to my 2018 F150, I'll put a link in the description down below. Also, if you want to check out that bullet antenna there, 50 cal bullet antenna, I'll put a link in the description. Go ahead and check it out, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.